Payless, amo. Ulam tamo yan, Payless.
Payless. Atin ni Payless.
Payless, metong. Ulam po namin, Payless. Isang Payless, lagi isa. Ito po, pinuploring na po namin to. Flooring, nagpo-flooring po kami at nagluluto po yung kasama kong Payless. Ulam.
Ilang ulam namin.
Wala po kaming ulam, Payless.
Kaya Payless lang.